Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to review this set of Tekton tools. So these are combination wrenches in a bag. Not too exciting. As you can see, it goes from 7 to 19. I bought these on Amazon, and the reason I bought this configuration instead of in that like red rack was because these are planning to go in my car. So I wanted something that did this, right? I could roll it up and hide it underneath my seats, or put it in an ammo can, which this will fit, or whatever, but store it in my car on trips or whatever. And so then I have a full set of metrics wrenches, and they're organized, so I can just roll it out like this, and then there you go. So it goes from 7 to 19. This set goes 7 to 19, no skip sizes. They have other sets, some of them skip sizes, like I think there's a 8 to 17. Anyways, so you can kind of look through and see what your needs are. I think they have one that goes up to a 22, but it skipped some smaller sizes, and I don't know. I figured this was the best one for my purposes. And yeah, so they're just normal length combination wrenches. So let me show you what I'm replacing. You know why I picked these ones and not some other sets that I've seen are probably around the same price range. So hopefully this isn't too glary with the shiny stuff. But so this is my, I mean, you know, I have all those exact sizes already, and you know, I have a bunch more. These are non-metric. There are a few bigger metric ones, like the 18 and the bigger than 17. But you know, and I didn't want to get I could have gotten a ratcheting set. I might do that in the future, but so I have all of these, and surprisingly, so this was my first set. I think I did a video about this, but you know how this is a Husky set that my brother-in-law. It says USA on it. I doubt you can see that. It does say USA on there. I don't know if they actually made them in the US, but again, I got these in what, 2000, year 2000. That's when my brother-in-law bought all these ones that are not shiny, that from my Husky set. So I had those for years, and then just recently I decided to actually fill in my missing ones. I started buying these Husky ones. So this is a Husky one, a newer one, and I showed a video about this, but I don't like this head style. I like the older head style with the deeper, it goes in deeper, and this is shallow. I guess there are advantages for having it shallow, but most of the ones that are shallow have they're fatter in this direction, so it kind of defeats the purpose of having this shallow. And in my buying, I bought this guy, my 15 millimeter, and this is a Tekton. I bought just this one, and I've used it a bunch, and I liked it I liked it just as much as these older ones. It's a little bit longer. Like this is a 15, that's a 16, so you can see that it's longer. And so I like that. I keep bumping the camera, sorry. This one is Evercraft from Napa, and I like these. They're not too bad. I think they're better than the Husky ones, the new Husky ones. Again, I like the old Husky ones better than the newer ones. And these ones, the blue, are from Lowe's, and I thought I would never use this 5.5, but I have. I've actually used it. I never thought I would. But It's still, even the Lowe's one. So the Lowe's has the head that I don't like. The Husky has the head that I don't like. And so I needed to get a different one. The Evercraft, which is that's the cheap Napa brand. They have the head I like. So I was kind of looking for that. So that's kind of the price range to get up to what I like. And then the Tekton ones I really like. So when I saw that Tekton had the, especially when I bought that 15 millimeter, and I saw that it had the head that I wanted, and it was just a simple combination wrench, a little bit longer than some of the other ones. So I actually like that feature, and I've used that 115 millimeter a bunch of times, and it hasn't shown anything bad about it. So I decided to get this set. Again, it's just basic, simple. I wish that they had the cut in that little V shape that I guess the ones at Napa, the nicest ones that the Napa has, those wrenches have it, but they're at least 3 or 4 times the price of this. So again, I bought this for riding in my car or my Tahoe, 4 trips. But I do think these are nicer than the ones I have already. And so I'm debating on if I take the ones that I already have, that I've had for years, and I switch them all out, and I take these ones out, and I just put the other ones in this kit, because I wanted the roll thing specifically for putting in my car. Instead of it's not in a toolbox, it's in a bag. So that's why I got the roll thing, and this set was pretty cheap. It was $30, I think. And actually, when I bought this on Amazon, this is a used one. So it didn't come in any packaging, and it said used like new, and it looks brand new. I can't find anything wrong with it. I think that I did the dirt spots on it, but I figured I'm going to use them so I can buy a used one. And I've been looking at this, and they're all perfect. I haven't seen any used, what anybody's done to use them. So Tekton's really stepped their game up for this part, and I hope you like my review, and catch you again later. Bye.